Under the dazzling studio lights, the host radiates enthusiasm, poised to unveil the future of YouTube niches. With infectious energy, the host announces, "Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel." The host declares, "Today, we're diving into the future to uncover the top 7 YouTube niches that are set to explode in 2025. The host promises, "If you're looking to grow your channel, this is the video for you." The glow of the editing suite illuminates the screen, revealing a dynamic world of YouTube analytics and growth trends. The screen bursts into life with the bold declaration, "YouTube is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve." The relentless evolution of YouTube demands constant vigilance and innovation. The host returns to the screen, brimming with infectious energy and enthusiasm. A burst of animated energy floods the screen as a vibrant countdown graphic seizes attention. With unwavering excitement, the host exclaims, "Let's jump right in, starting with niche number 7. A screen recording unfolds, revealing a YouTube channel dedicated to the burgeoning realm of sustainable living. The host illuminates the niche's rising prominence, attributing it to a world awakening to environmental consciousness. In a moment of clarity, the narrator declares, "People are more conscious about their impact on the planet, leading to a surge in interest in sustainable living content." In the editing suite, a montage of sustainable living videos illuminates the room, each frame brimming with ideas for a greener world. Overlaid text declares, "Content ideas, DIY, zero waste, gardening, a beacon for creativity and change." The montage unfolds as a visual symphony of eco-friendly practices, from crafting DIY products to embracing zero-waste lifestyles and cultivating flourishing gardens. The host returns to the screen, and an animated transition heralds the unveiling of the next niche. With a vibrant burst of energy, the host exclaims, "Moving on to niche number 6. On the screen, a YouTube channel banner boldly proclaims niche 6, AI-powered tools, signaling a dive into the world of accessible artificial intelligence. The host illuminates the screen with a revelation. AI is no longer just for tech experts, it's becoming a part of our daily lives. The host's words echo a transformative shift, portraying AI as an everyday companion accessible to all, not just the tech-savvy. Inside the editing suite, a montage of AI tools unfolds, displaying their transformative potential in writing, image creation, and video editing. A screen illuminates with the words, "Content ideas, tutorials, reviews, comparisons, paving the way for a new era of digital storytelling." In a brightly lit studio, a charismatic host beams at the camera, ready to unveil the next innovation. With a grand gesture, the host announces, "And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to unveil our next innovation." The host heightens the suspense. Prepare yourselves for Niche 5. A dazzling animated transition fills the screen, teasing sleek designs and futuristic interfaces. On the screen, the words Niche 5, Mental Wellness Shine, introducing a space where the importance of mental well-being takes center stage. A voice echoes, revealing the growing need for mental health content as the host underscores a golden opportunity for creators. The voice continues, "More people are seeking resources to improve their mental well-being, creating a huge opportunity for content creators." In the editing suite, a montage of serene visuals and expert interviews flickers across the screen as pure white text floats over the scene. The radiant screen casts ethereal light across the room, painting the air with the promise of inner peace and clarity. In the bustling studio, a spotlight dramatically illuminates niche 4, highlighting its significance. The screen illuminates with the bold declaration, "Niche 4, Remote Work Tips, revealing a digital landscape ripe with opportunity." A narrator's voice cuts through the digital space, declaring with conviction, "With more people working from home, there's a massive audience looking for remote work strategies." The host illuminates the screen as the continued growth of remote work underscores the urgent need for expert advice and accessible resources. Inside the editing suite, the screen explodes with visuals of home offices, productivity tools, and time management, promising a revolution in work efficiency. Words dance across the screen, proclaiming content ideas, home office, productivity, time management, inviting the viewer into a world of optimized work. The montage of images and text weaves a narrative of efficiency and control, hinting at the possibility of mastering the chaos of remote work. Inside a brightly lit studio, the beaming host gestures dramatically towards a mysterious covered object, hinting at the grand reveal. With a flourish, the host announces, "And now, for Niche 3. A vibrant YouTube channel bursts onto the screen, championing the rise of personalized fitness as the next big thing. With infectious enthusiasm, the host reveals the secret. Fitness routines designed specifically for individual dreams and desires. The host proclaims, "People want fitness routines tailored to their specific needs and goals." In the editing suite, screens burst with fitness trackers, intense workout routines, and life-altering nutritional advice, painting a portrait of digital wellness. On-screen text proclaims, "Content ideas, workout plans, nutritional advice, wearable tech reviews," hinting at a trove of transformative possibilities. The studio subtly transforms as the host seamlessly glides into Niche 2, marked by a shift in lighting and set design. A new niche is born. A YouTube channel bursts to life, showcasing educational gaming as a groundbreaking niche where pixels meet pedagogy. The host illuminates the screen, revealing how gaming transcends mere entertainment, blossoming into a potent educational force. The host declares, "Gaming isn't just for entertainment, it's becoming a powerful learning tool." In the editing suite, screens blaze with visions of educational games and virtual reality, illuminating the room with the promise of digital enlightenment. Words dance across the screens, whispering of coding tutorials, VR simulations, and game reviews. The suite pulses with the energy of innovation, ideas blossoming in the digital ether. In a brightly lit studio, a charismatic host commands the stage, his wide smile radiating infectious energy. He amplifies the tension, weaving a web of anticipation with every gesture. The air crackles with excitement as the host builds to a crescendo, ready to unleash the spectacle. The screen dramatically unveils Niche 1, digital art and NFTs, heralding a fusion of creativity and technology. A voice declares, "This is where creativity meets technology, and it's exploding." The editing suite pulses with the vibrant energy of digital art, NFT marketplaces, and cryptic blockchain diagrams. The screens flicker with the promise of untold digital riches and the allure of blockchain technology. In the vibrant studio, the host stands before the camera, ready to reveal the future of YouTube niches. The host declares the top niches set to explode in 2025: sustainable living, AI, powered tools, and more. The camera zooms in as the host passionately shares about mental wellness and remote work tips, resonating with future viewers. The host concludes with personalized fitness, educational gaming, and digital art, NFTs, painting a vivid picture of opportunity. In the editing suite, a whirlwind of images and on-screen text from 7 distinct niches blazes across the screen, creating a mesmerizing montage. The visuals and words blend into a blur, overwhelming the senses with a torrent of information. The rapid montage conveys a sense of information overload and the relentless pace of modern media. Bathed in vibrant light, the studio welcomes viewers as the host steps into the spotlight. With a burst of infectious energy, the host declares, "Now is the time to start experimenting and finding your niche." The studio is now ready and waiting, as the host is eager to encourage viewers to go beyond their comfort zones. Bathed in the ethereal glow of a monitor, an editing suite comes alive with the vibrant mantra, "Pro tip, research, plan, create." In a vibrant studio, a host commands attention, speaking directly to the camera with captivating energy. With a radiant smile, the host urges, "If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next amazing content." Within the editing suite, a vibrant end screen emerges, inviting viewers to delve deeper into the content. A subscription button pulses gently, urging viewers to become part of the community. Neatly arranged links offer a gateway to a curated collection of related videos. On-screen text blazes, "Subscribe for more." A montage of vibrant scenes celebrates the seamless integration of technology into daily life. Against the backdrop of nature, individuals find harmony in the digital age. Creative endeavors flourish as technology and human ingenuity intertwine. A symphony of progress unfolds, showcasing technology as a catalyst for innovation and connection. In a brightly illuminated studio, the host, beaming with enthusiasm, prepares to captivate the audience. With a radiant smile, the host exclaims, "In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2025, so stay tuned." The studio is filled with the promise of future insights, as the host invites viewers to stay tuned for expert advice on monetizing their YouTube channels in 2025. Inside the editing suite, a symphony of screens illuminates the room, each displaying a world of untold stories and tantalizing teasers. Amidst the digital landscape, discarded energy drink cans stand as silent monuments to countless hours of relentless dedication. Every pixel and every discarded can whisper tales of ambition, creativity, and the tireless pursuit of perfection. In a radiant studio, the host beams warmly, sharing a heartfelt farewell with the audience. With genuine gratitude, the host softly says, "Thank you so much for watching." The host bids adieu with the promise of a new video. "Well, see you in the next video." In the editing suite, the final screen illuminates with a call to action. "Connect with us." The screen shines brightly, beckoning viewers to join the digital conversation. In the urban expanse, a frenetic ballet of steel and ambition unfolds as cars surge like metallic arteries, and skyscrapers pierce the heavens. Humanity blurs into a relentless current, each figure a fleeting participant in the city's ever-changing narrative. This visual symphony mirrors the ephemeral nature of online content, where trends rise and fall with dizzying speed. Inside a sun-drenched home office, a content creator's dedication shines, crafting digital dreams from the heart of their personal space. The screen illuminates with endless opportunities, echoing the limitless potential of working from anywhere. Each keystroke is a step towards independence, as the content creator breathes life into their vision. Vast natural landscapes unfold, silently echoing the imperative of sustainability. Sunlight bathes lush forests, rivers reflect the sky, symbolizing nature's resilience and the need for conservation. The earth breathes, a gentle reminder of our shared responsibility to protect its delicate balance. Inside a vibrant classroom, the future of education unfolds as students immerse themselves in captivating educational games. Each click and swipe reveals a new world of knowledge, transforming learning into an exhilarating adventure. Laughter and collaboration echo through the room as students share discoveries and conquer challenges together. The teacher observes with a knowing smile, witnessing the transformative power of play in unlocking each student's potential. In the heart of the art studio, an artist's soul intertwines with technology, breathing life into digital art on a vast tablet. Bathed in the gentle glow of computer screens, the studio hums with the quiet symphony of innovation. With each stroke of the stylus, a universe of vibrant colors and intricate designs unfolds, revealing the boundless realm of digital artistry. The studio is a sanctuary of limitless possibilities, where the spirit of innovation dances freely in the digital art space. The gym pulsates with focused energy, a symphony of sweat and determination as individuals pursue their fitness goals. In the heart of the gym, personalized fitness plans unfold on glowing screens, guiding each movement and breath. The growing trend of customized fitness routines transforms the gym into a laboratory of self-improvement where technology meets human potential. A dynamic co-working space buzzes with activity, symbolizing the burgeoning trend of remote work. Sunlight streams through expansive windows, illuminating diverse professionals deeply engaged in their tasks, each embodying a unique facet of the remote work revolution. The camera pans across sleek, ergonomic workstations and collaborative hubs, accentuating the seamless blend of technology and human interaction. Within the therapy session, stock footage subtly underscores the profound importance of mental wellness, casting a gentle light on the scene. The scene is designed to evoke a sense of serenity and introspection. The emphasis remains on the subtle yet powerful visual cues that emphasize the value of mental wellness. Amidst the vibrant buzz of the tech conference, the fervor for AI ignites, hinting at a future reshaped by intelligent machines. A dynamic montage of individuals deep in conversation, punctuated by fleeting glimpses of cutting-edge AI technology, underscores the transformative impact of artificial intelligence. Under the vast sky, a symphony of metal and machinery orchestrates the ballet of recycling, echoing the promise of a greener tomorrow. Amidst the relentless churn of conveyor belts, discarded materials transform into symbols of hope, embodying the essence of sustainable living. Each crushed can and shredded paper whispers a tale of renewal, resonating with the quiet determination to heal our planet. In a brightly lit studio, the host stands, radiating energy and charisma, ready to share insights. The host declares, "The key to YouTube success is staying adaptable and informed." The host gestures emphatically, underscoring the importance of adaptability and knowledge in the ever-changing world of YouTube. Bathed in bright light, the editing suite stands as a creative sanctuary. The monitor glows, a beacon of inspiration with the words, "Stay curious, stay creative." The room is filled with a sense of possibility and creative energy. In a brightly lit studio, the host, beaming with warmth, gestures directly at the camera. The host breaks the silence with an enthusiastic invitation. Check out the links in the description for more information on these niches. Within the editing suite, digital links materialize, weaving a web of information across the screen. The screen becomes a portal, inviting viewers into the depths of interconnected knowledge. In the brightly lit studio, the host greets the audience with a warm smile, inviting them into a world of niche topics. With an inviting gesture, the host beckons viewers to share their passions, igniting a conversation about the endless possibilities of niche interests. The host softly speaks. Let us know in the comments which niche you're most excited about. In the editing suite, a luminous screen displays a compelling invitation. Share your thoughts. Beneath the bright studio lights, the host extends a warm smile directly to the audience. With boundless energy, the host gestures emphatically, inviting viewers to engage more deeply. The host's heartfelt plea echoes. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. In the dimly lit editing suite, a brightly colored animated subscription reminder blinks insistently, its glow the only light in the room. The insistent blinking of the animated reminder casts eerie shadows across the silent, empty room. A whirlwind of online fame explodes onto the screen, showcasing a montage of successful YouTubers in their unique digital realms. From culinary masters crafting gourmet dishes to tech wizards unveiling the latest gadgets, each scene pulsates with energy and passion. Gamers conquer virtual worlds, musicians strum heart-stopping melodies, and travel vloggers explore uncharted territories, each capturing the essence of their digital artistry. Each fleeting image showcases the vibrant tapestry of online personalities, weaving together a story of creativity, influence, and digital stardom. Bathed in the radiant glow of studio lights, the host flashes a warm smile directly into the camera, exuding confidence and charisma. With palpable enthusiasm, the host emphatically gestures, underscoring the dawn of a new era on YouTube. With unwavering conviction, the host proclaims, "The future of YouTube is bright, and these niches are leading the way." As the final credits roll, a chapter closes, leaving behind echoes of untold stories in the quiet hum of the editing suite. The soft glow of the monitor casts a somber light, reflecting on the faces of those who dedicated themselves to the craft. In the silence that follows, memories of late nights, creative clashes, and shared triumphs linger, a testament to the journey's end. Bathed in the radiant glow of studio lights, the host stands center stage, their smile radiating pure energy. With unwavering enthusiasm, the host proclaims, "Now go out there and create some amazing content." Inside the editing suite, motivational graphics dance across multiple screens, setting the stage for a high-energy surge of creativity. The room is filled with an infectious rhythm where every beat amplifies the intensity, propelling the story forward. A vibrant tapestry of modern life unfolds as a montage of diverse individuals engages with technology and unleashes their creative spirits. The relentless march of progress is captured through a series of fleeting moments, each a testament to the seamless integration of technology into our daily lives. Creativity knows no bounds, as individuals from all walks of life harness the power of innovation to express themselves in myriad ways. From the mundane to the extraordinary, technology serves as a conduit for human expression, transforming the ordinary into something truly remarkable. In the bustling studio, the host radiates pure gratitude, their warm smile illuminating the space. With a heartfelt gesture, the host acknowledges the team's invaluable contribution, their words resonating with genuine appreciation. The host's voice fills the studio, their gratitude amplified as they exclaim, "A big thanks to our amazing team for making this video possible." As the credits roll, the names of each team member appear, immortalizing their dedication to the project. The camera moves, highlighting each name, each role, a testament to the collective spirit of creation. The final name fades into the dark, sealing the end of a journey and the beginning of a legacy. Bathed in the vibrant glow of studio lights, a host animatedly beckons viewers into the world of YouTube growth. With a compelling call to action, the host urges viewers to spread the word. Share this video with your friends who are also looking to grow their YouTube channel. Bathed in the glow of a monitor, an editing suite radiates with the promise of shared wisdom. The words "share the knowledge" appear on the screen, hinting at a wealth of information waiting to be unlocked. In a vibrant studio bathed in light, the host engages directly with the audience. The host exclaims, "Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be diving even deeper into YouTube strategy." The host's words promise to unlock the secret to YouTube success. In the dimly lit editing suite, monitors blaze with a frenetic montage of teaser clips, each frame a burst of color and action. A whirlwind of quick cuts and vivid imagery assaults the senses, teasing glimpses of stories yet untold. With a radiant smile, the host bids farewell, signaling the end of another inspiring episode. In a final uplifting message, the host encourages viewers. Remember, the possibilities on YouTube are endless. The host reminds viewers, keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. Uplifting music fills the room as vibrant visuals flash across the screen, creating an atmosphere of energy and excitement. The screen showcases a montage of dynamic scenes, each frame bursting with life and color. A symphony of dawn breaks over majestic mountain peaks, where sunlight paints the sky with hues of hope and new beginnings. In bustling city streets, a tapestry of humanity weaves through towering skyscrapers, each step resonating with ambition and dreams. Golden wheat fields sway in harmony with the gentle breeze, whispering tales of perseverance and the bounty of the earth. Amidst the tranquil waters of a pristine lake, a lone sailboat glides effortlessly, embodying freedom and the pursuit of boundless horizons. In the heart of a vibrant classroom, young minds ignite with curiosity, illuminating the path to a brighter future. As the sun sets over a peaceful ocean, the horizon beckons with infinite possibilities, inspiring hearts to chase their wildest aspirations. Under the harsh glare of studio lights, the host flashes a warm smile, bidding farewell to the audience. With a final, practiced wave, the host delivers the closing line. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Behind the scenes, a teleprompter scrolls silently, a constant reminder of the unseen script. In the brightly lit editing suite, the video's end screen shines, a beacon of neatly arranged information. The end screen is a digital tapestry of links and data, inviting exploration and further engagement. Bathed in the radiant glow of studio lights, the host stands center stage, their warm smile echoing heartfelt appreciation. The host shares their heartfelt message, "We truly appreciate your support." Bathed in the ethereal glow of a massive editing monitor, a lone editor sits amidst a sea of discarded coffee cups and crumpled paper. As the tale concludes, the editor offers a soft, heartfelt whisper to the monitor. "Hope you enjoyed it." In the silence, a voice echoes a word of thanks to the audience, acknowledging their imagination as the true architect of the journey. A vibrant montage unveils the dynamic world of YouTube, each creator a beacon of passion and dedication. A gamer's triumphant roar echoes through the digital arena, marking a hard-won victory. A chef presents their culinary masterpiece. A musician's guitar solo ignites the screen with raw energy and skill. A vlogger immerses in the vibrant chaos of a bustling city, capturing every moment of adventure. A comedian delivers the perfect punchline, sparking waves of laughter and joy. Under the intense studio lights, the host's determined face reflects a burning ambition. With unwavering resolve, the host declares, "The future of YouTube is in your hands, make it count." In the editing suite, motivational graphics come to life, promising inspiration and change. The graphics pulse with energy, igniting a spark of determination. From the infinite expanse of space, our planet hangs suspended, a vibrant sphere brimming with untold stories. A silent testament to the interconnectedness of humanity, the Earth spins, reflecting the countless voices echoing across continents. In a breathtaking panorama, the Earth represents the global stage where every story finds its audience and every voice its echo.